No. To me, I don't think anything is more annoying than somebody who smells bad or has bad breath. And they're just all in your face, all in your vicinity, like, back it up. Move. Shoot, beru, 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 beru. This video is for the people who knows better and should be doing better. If you have a medical condition or you got cavities and you got to fix all that, this ain't for you. This is for you lazy fucks that should be doing something. Like, for instance, people be like, oh, well, I don't use toothpaste because the fluoride, and when fluoride destroys your teeth, you're destroying my nose. So, I advise you to go brush your teeth. Also, it's for like the people who smell bad and you know they're just sitting at home, just being lazy. Like, wash your ass. Like, how do you feel good knowing you stink? Knowing your mouth is just horrible. Like, you guys see how I have little to no eyebrows? That's because it's y'all bad breaths and y'all stinking ass. Y'all just made my eyebrows jump off of my face. Like, shit like that makes me wonder, like, do you have friends? Do you have family? Because who allowed you to walk out of the house like that? Like, it wouldn't be me. Let that be like a friend or something. I'm like, get your stinking ass back in the house. But, in my opinion, nobody stinks more than teenage boys. Yeah, I said it. Teenage boys are the most funkiest little creatures ever. Like, nephew, forgive me, you probably don't even watch my videos. My 13-year-old nephew, sweet baby Jesus. I'm gonna just leave it at that. It's just bad. Like, wash up. Not only do I tell him, his mother tell we all bond it. We be like, yo, wash up. Teenage boys, they don't care. They smell horrible. But anyway, I'm gonna end this by saying, when you know better, you do better. So therefore, y'all know better. Do better. Wash your asses. Until next time. Mwah!